Welcome to the Avid Edge English Writing Series. Short story writing is a skill that requires practice and patience. To write a good short story, there are certain techniques and steps that you can follow. Choose a compelling idea. The idea for your short story should be unique and interesting. It should grab the reader's attention from the very beginning. Create a plot. The plot is the sequence of events that make up your story. It should be well structured and have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Develop your characters. Your characters should be well-rounded and believable. Give them unique personalities, backgrounds, and motivations. Use descriptive language. Your story should be rich in descriptive language that paints a vivid picture in the reader's mind. Use sensory details to make the story come alive. Write in a clear and concise style. Short stories require an economy of words. Avoid unnecessary details and keep your sentences simple and to the point. Choose the right point of view. The point of view you choose can have a big impact on your story. Consider using a first-person or third-person limited point of view. Edit and revise. Once you have written your story, revise and edit it carefully. Look for grammar and spelling errors, and make sure your story flows well and makes sense. Read and learn from other short stories. Reading other short stories can give you inspiration and ideas for your own writing. Pay attention to how other writers structure their stories, develop their characters, and use language. Get feedback. Share your story with others and ask for feedback. Consider joining a writing group or workshop where you can get constructive criticism from other writers. By following these steps and techniques, you can create a compelling short story that will engage and entertain your readers. So, are you ready to write?